There were no cost estimates available when the Council voted to proceed with final plans. I recently asked staff for records containing cost estimates, and I have been told there are none. But even if we assume we could build the new tank for the $4 million estimated in 2006, we are $2 million over budget. Resolution 2006-25 made a commitment to us to do the projects adopted in the 2005 hydrology study and amended CIP. In both, the estimated cost was $2 million, not $4 million.
And I tell you, I don't want to put another burden on our water ratepayers because they're paying enough right now. And if we go over the budget, where do we get the extra money to pay for it?
You already know the answer, and we would have to go to our ratepayers to make up the difference.
Or we spend $500,000, build a new pump station, put a gravity line down Christian Ridge, and use Vansel to serve the city now and into the future, as was intended. If we needed the storage, or if we had money in the bank, or if using Vansel was unsafe, there would be no doubt about building a new tank. But that is not the situation. We do not need storage in the north part of town. We are in debt and have a backlog of projects, and using Vansel will address a need to provide fire flow storage for the downtown area.
It would not be hard to imagine us putting probably 1 million gallons of water on the ground in a major fire downtown.
Firefighting capacity. If we were to pursue that solution, would we be compromising our abilities to service during emergencies?
I would say no, because you would have 5 million gallons of storage up there.
We just spent nearly $1 million to reline and upgrade the Vansel Reservoir. We need to finally use this storage. I did not set out to battle City Hall, only to answer the question of why we are building another tank and not using our city reservoir on Vansel Street. Vansel only needs distribution improvements to finally serve the city's water storage need. Well, at least the northern portion.